Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by narrowing the topic to a clear story arc and purpose. This matters because AI needs constraints. Once chosen, gather 5-10 reliable sources, images, maps, and short clips so the model can cite evidence and generate visuals. Make sure to label files and timestamps. While you're organizing assets, create a 1-paragraph thesis and a 3-5 scene outline for pacing. This foundation reduces hallucinations and speeds up later synthesis when you prompt AI tools to draft narration and visuals. Once you have a thesis and scenes, prompt your AI to expand each scene into 80-120 word narration and suggest visual cues. Explain why you want primary source emphasis. Then generate TTS files, choosing voice, speed, and pauses to match tone and period. Make visuals next. Colorize photos, animate maps, and stabilize clips so motion supports the narration. While exporting, keep naming consistent and save intermediate files. This prevents sync errors when you assemble timeline in your editor. You complete the project by editing the timeline, place narration, align visuals, add ambient music, and insert lower thirds for dates and names. Make sure to vary shot length for rhythm and to add brief pauses after complex facts so viewers can absorb them. Review every factual statement against your sources and correct anything the AI invented. If timing or facts are off, reprompt the model with source excerpts or swap in alternative assets. That quick loop fixes the most common problems before publishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.